Hello, my name is Pranika Pandit. Student ID is 250968736. This is a console-based account registration and login application that I've built based on Scenario 2. So now I will demonstrate the program running and then walk through the key parts of the code. So when the program starts, it shows a menu with three options: register a new account, log into the system, or quit. So this menu is displayed inside a while loop, which means it keeps repeating until the user chooses to quit. The user types a number and the program responds based on which option they choose. This is done using if and else if statement. Now I will select option 1 to register a new account. I enter the username Pranika2025 and it asks me for a password. First, I will try a short password. The program rejects it because it needs at least 10 characters. Now I will try to register a common password. The program reads the file called commonpassword.txt and rejects it as it is too common. Now I'll finally enter a strong password for this one. The account is created. The credentials are saved to a txt file named after the username, as you can see here. And now I'll show you the login system. So I'll select the option 2. I type the username Pranika2025 and it asks me for a password. So it gives me 5 attempts to enter the correct password. Let me try one password first. So let's just try. Sorry. It tells me I have 4 attempts remaining. Now I enter the correct password. And it tells me I have logged in successfully. If I had used all 5 attempts incorrectly, the program would return me to the menu. So now I'll exit the program. And now I will explain the code implementation by doing ctrlf. So I'll start by the class. Here you can see I have 2 classes, the class user and class program. At the top, I have class user, user class. This class has 2 instant variables, username and password, both of type string. There is a constructor which takes the username and password as parameters and assigns them to the variables. I also have getter methods, get username and get password, which returns those values using a class to represent a user in is an example of object-oriented programming, which keeps the data and behavior organized together. Now, I'll show you the login system, okay? So, here, the login method first checks that the username file exists. If it does, it reads the file into a string array using file.readAllLines. The password is stored on the line index 1, so I access account data 1. Then a for loop runs up to 5 times, giving the user 5 chances to enter the correct password. Each attempt is completed to the stored value. If the match, the user is logged in and the loop breaks. If all 5 attempts fail, they are returned to the main menu. This shows the use of loop conditionals and file reading working together. So this completes my demonstration of account registration and logins application. Thank you.